The universe and humanity, a part of the universe and the eye of the universe friends. When we contemplate the relationship between the universe and humanity, we often think this way: I am here and the universe is out there. However, if we delve just a little deeper, we find that this distinction is merely one of convenience. The true essence is different. The universe is not an object that simply contains humanity. Rather, it is a continuous process, unfolding in the form of a human being. The elements forged in the birth and explosion of stars created the earth, formed the oceans, and gave rise to life. Within the evolution of that life, beings with nervous systems emerged, and finally, a being capable of self-awareness appeared. That being is humanity. Thus, humans are not separate from the universe, but are a specific phase revealed within the process of universal evolution. Just as a wave is not separate from the ocean, a human is not separate from the universe. Our bodies operate strictly within the laws of physics. Cells are networks of chemical reactions, nerves are flows of electrical signals, and the brain is a structure for processing information. The principles of symmetry and symmetry breaking, energy flow, and structure formation are repeated identically within the human body. Just as a star maintains its structure through gravity and nuclear fusion, the human body is sustained through the constant repetition of balance and its breaking. In this sense, a human being is a microcosm of the universe. Here, a crucial point emerges. A stone is matter, a star is matter, and the human body is matter. Yet in humans, there is something that does not exist in other forms of matter: awareness. While existing, we simultaneously know our own existence, perceive the world, and ask fundamental questions. Who am I? Why do I live? What is the universe? The mere fact that these questions can be asked signifies that a new stage has opened within the universe. A stone exists but does not know itself. A star shines but does not perceive itself. However, a human exists and at the same time reflects both self and the world. In this moment, the universe enters the stage of self-awareness through humanity. Therefore, a human is not merely a part of the universe, but the field of universal self-reflection. Through us, the universe gazes upon itself, questions itself, and seeks to understand itself. The awareness that manifests within humans possesses a unique quality. It is not a fixed entity, but an empty seat, a space that can accept any thought, emotion, or experience. Thanks to this empty seat, we can perceive anything. Sorrow, joy, thoughts, and the entire world are all reflected upon this seat. Thus, this seat of awareness belongs to the individual, yet it carries a universal character. As awareness deepens, humans transcend mere survival and begin to recognize relationships. We see not only ourselves, but others, the whole, and our fundamental interconnectedness. In this state, a direction toward cooperation, empathy, and mutual prosperity naturally emerges. This is not an ethics imposed from the outside. It is a natural flow that reveals itself as awareness matures. Thus, the phrase Hongekingan, to broadly benefit humanity, is not a moral command, but a relational expression of the universe's self-awareness manifesting within us. Today, we live in an era where all of humanity is becoming connected through AI, telecommunications, translation technology, and collaborative networks. This is not mere technological progress. It is the process of the universe's self-awareness expanding to a collective dimension. Beyond individual realization, it is a stage where all of humanity begins to reflect one another, understand one another, and move together. This era demands an expansion of our awareness. From this perspective, human life holds a meaning beyond simple survival or competition. Humans are beings born within the laws of the universe, perceiving the universe, growing through relationships, and expressing the directionality of the universe through their lives. Therefore, the deepest form of human life flows in a direction that benefits both the self and others. This is not morality, it is the natural movement of existence. In a single sentence, humanity is a part of the universe, and simultaneously, the window through which the universe perceives itself. We are the expression, the mirror, and the self-reflection of the cosmos. Everyone. The universe is not far away. The universe is moving within your breath right now, reflecting itself within your awareness. And the deepest movement of humanity is naturally heading toward a direction that broadly benefits all. That is the path of humanity and simultaneously the path of the universe. Thank you.